Good morning. We're making Lobster Benedict this morning. Some things are a new try. I have been making poached eggs the same old way since I was a kid, so I get the poached egg job. I happen to have 2 farm eggs and 2 regular eggs, so we'll just see how this goes. I get my water to a gentle boil, and then just crack the eggs in there. I know this isn't how the chefs do it, but I'm not a chef, I'm a cook. So I'm going to do this real carefully. I usually cook these for 3 minutes. Ouch, got my finger in here. I kind of figured out my timing on this because I used to do toast at the same time, and it would be the same amount as the toast. Try not to get those to touch each other too much. I have noticed that the farm eggs take a little bit less time. Okay, now we wait for 3 minutes.
And while we wait,
Hand off the camera.
we will make the hollandaise sauce.
Whoops. Get the butter hot.
And I have the butter hot. So, this is something I've been seeing all over the place on the internet, is that you can make a hollandaise sauce with an immersion blender. So, we are going to try that as an experiment. If it doesn't work, you will never see this video. So, to my 4 egg yolks, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
The timer sounds like you're on a good ticking time bomb here for the muffins.
I feel like it.
I know.
And just a little shake of smoked paprika. And then we're going to blend this up. And then the whole trick to hollandaise is getting.
Don't worry about that.
Getting the oil to emulsify while it goes in. And I am thinking that that worked beautifully.
Really fast too.
Oh, jeez. Without making too much of a mess. There we go. So, now once the eggs are done, I believe we're ready to assemble our eggs Benedict. I should also add that we got the lobster warm so that it
I don't know if Bernie's fingers are
go in here well.
Okay, my eggs are, I'd say, are done. My toast is done. Where's my other plate? I got that. Ready for pictures, because we can't eat without taking a picture of our food first. Okay. I think I should butter these a little bit because we don't have any butter. I gotta hurry because I don't want those to keep cooking too much. Okay, now wash your fingers so that I can get those out without breaking anybody. I'm pretty good at this. Uh-oh, I got one broken. That's gonna be mine. Ooh, those look perfect though. Dang it. Yeah, these are not the picture perfect ones. But you know, it happens. I thought about making an extra. Don't look at that one! I broke it. Who cares? We're gonna cover it up with sauce anyway. Okay. Now, you gonna let me do this part, or do you want to do this part?
Oh, why don't you?
Okay. Oh my God. What an embarrassment. Don't look at that. Okay, little lobster. I guess I'll use this. Or a lot. Okay. This looks good. This is the best lobster I think I've ever had. It's so sweet and delicious. We got plenty. We can use what we want. Okay. Then sauce, yes. Oh yeah, look at that.
Probably just pour it. Well, that's all right.
I think I'll do this.
Okay.
Oh, whoops. This is perfect. That's great. A little more on this one. I'll do the other one in a minute. I'm gonna garnish with a little bit of chives. And maybe this little hunk here. Whoops, we got 2 hunks. Just for pretty. I grabbed a couple of these to really fix this up. Because, you know, pretty food is good food, I say. All right, and there you have it. Whoop, this way.
Beautiful.
Lobster Benedict.
I've just got to tell you that this is really, really good. If you've been scared of making hollandaise sauce or you've had failures with hollandaise sauce before, try this method. Anyone can do it. It's really easy and it's super delicious.